so the gear door servo mounting is done, and it works really well. So zoom out here. You can see it opens it, and it's pretty stiff. There's plenty of torque, and then you can close the door. Okay, so I think I figured out how I am going to mount the servo for the front, for the nose gear door. And I'm going to use the same Corona DS238MG. I think this got about 5 kilogram force. It should be plenty. And so what I'm going to use are these metal sort of turnbuckle. I got these from Amazon, and they're used for RC car steering. So this is just going to be really strong control rod for the gear door. And simply mounted, it's just going to go to the servo like that, and then the servo is going to get glued or mounted to the side, sort of like that. Let's see if you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll come back when it's all done and I'll show you exactly what that is. And there's plenty of room for the gear to move in and out, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll come back when that's done and show you the final product. Alright, so that's the position that the servo is going to sit at, and I am currently epoxying that in place using the same stuff, the E00NS 5-minute epoxy. It's good stuff. So once that's cured, partially, maybe in like 20 minutes or so, I'll come and check and make sure that the gear door actually moves the way I want, adjust that servo, and then we're gonna call this gear door section complete. I'm very happy with that. Very nice. Alright, so this guy is complete, and I'm going to be pulling out this pneumatic actuator because I no longer need that. So here's a quick shot of the inside of the second servo. So you can see the Electron gears already installed, but that servo pushes on the other gear door, and I'm going to show you how that operates in a little bit. Okay, so here's a shot of the rear gear door operating. I showed you how it's mounted on the inside, and so that servo arm just pushes right here, or pulls to close the door. So I'm going to show how that operates. So pretty nice.